Make precision measurements with an instrument that has a vernier scale. You're inspecting a piston pin using precision measuring instruments. The service limit is 0.499 inches. Anything over and it's out of tolerance. You can't spot that difference by eye, but precision tools can. This is where vernier scales matter. Aviation work demands precision down to the thousandth of an inch. That's why we use vernier tools like calipers and micrometers to take reliable, fine measurements. Let's begin with the vernier caliper. It has two parts, a main scale marked in tenths of an inch and a vernier scale that refines the reading to thousandths. Parallax error happens when you read a scale from an angle, which can lead to inaccurate measurements. Before measuring, zero the tool, clean the surfaces, and check your view to avoid parallax error. Once the tool is prepared, it's time to read the scale. Start with the main scale. Note the value just before the vernier zero mark. Then, look for the line on the vernier scale that exactly aligns with a mark above. Add that value to the base reading to get your final measurement. Now, move to the vernier micrometer, used for even finer measurements. It doesn't slide. Instead, it rotates. The barrel shows tenths and hundredths. The thimble adds thousandths. A final vernier index on the sleeve lets you read down to 0.0001 inches. Once you understand the parts of the micrometer, you're ready to learn how to read it. Begin with the barrel value. Then, read the thimble graduation. Find the vernier mark that aligns exactly with the thimble scale. Combine all three readings to get your final result. But accurate readings depend not just on numbers, but on how the tool is handled. Micrometer readings rely on touch, often called feel. Turn the thimble slowly until the spindle just meets the surface. Do not force it. This protects the part and gives an accurate reading. Good technique also means following a few basic precautions before and during measurement. Always close the jaws or spindle and check that the scale reads zero. Align your eyes straight on to avoid parallax error. Use a light, steady touch, especially with micrometers, until you feel contact. Never force. When the technique is right, the numbers gain meaning. Precision measurements are more than numbers. When you understand how to read a vernier scale, you're not just measuring, you're making decisions that keep aircraft flying safely.